when my mom passed away and I was just newly introduced to this world of niche fragrances, it kind of just two ideas colliding that I wanted to smell what it smelled like around her. Especially when you go home for vacation and she would start making this wonderful sweet things, and in just her presence, her warmth and the spices and how everything just felt together. I just wanted to find that. And I didn't start with the idea that I will make a fragrance. I was looking at social media and I started noticing that new Aussie brands are coming up, and they have their own stories and fragrances. And I thought, so, if somebody can start that, that means it's possible to manufacture a fragrance here. Why not look into that? And if that's possible, I'd be able to create something specific in her memory, and it would be so lovely to share it with friends and families who also miss her. And that's, where it kind of started.